Next clip, we're going to look at the clash detection toolbar on the clash detection menu. If we go to this first icon, we can set up a clash. I'm going to call this test. You can set one up by pushing on this paper icon. And what you want to do is you want to go to the levels and you want to set up these interferences. I've set one up between HVAC and beams. So we're going to process that, and it found a clash. So we'll move this window out of the way, and you can see that there's a beam going into an HVAC duct or piece of equipment. So we want to record that, so we're going to create a clash markup and click on that. And then to review it, we're going to go to our markup, save it, and then it'll open up this view where you can have your markup tools available to you. So I've marked this up. You can do the same thing when you're done. You can mark it off. Then you can go back to your previous window and we're going to set up a different one. We'll say test 2. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to check our columns, and we'll check them against our bracing. So we want to put our bracing in set B and our columns in set A, and then we'll process it. And there were no clashes found. So we can set up a different one and say we want to see if our braces clash with any of our glazing. And no, they're good. So that's what you want to do. You just want to keep going through, and if you have certain things that you want to test to see if they meet the criteria of what they need to be doing and not clashing with another discipline, you can just keep setting these up. So, and you can even set up self-checks. So I did all the steel. So we'll go through, move this out of the way, and you can see by clicking on this next where there are any clashes with the steel. And some of these are just normal beam meeting column, and you can be able to tell those. So you can scroll through and see for all the structure where things are clashing, and if it's actually a true clash or just an expected clash. You can set up rules to suppress some of these things, and that's a little bit more detailed. But for now, you just want to be able to see these items. You can just set up these individual tests.